In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up in QuickBooks. This essential skill can save you a lot of time and headaches by ensuring your financial data is safely stored and easily accessible. So let's dive right in and make sure you never lose your important QuickBooks information again. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the QuickBooks online platform. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of the page and click on the Sign In button. This takes you to the central QuickBooks hub where you can access all your business financials. For those who haven't stored their credentials in their browser, it's time to log in manually. Go ahead and type in your email and password, then click Continue. Log in successfully? Great, we're halfway there. Once you're in QuickBooks, you want to look towards the top right corner again. You'll see the sign in option, simply click it. At this point, you'll need to reconfirm your details. Stay assured, it's a precautionary step to keep your data secure. So punch in your email and password again to proceed. Now that you're signed into QuickBooks, let's navigate to the settings. Usually you'll find it under the gear icon on your dashboard. Clicking on it is your gateway to a plethora of options, but today our focus is on exporting data. From the menu, look for Export Data. Selecting this will open up the options for backing up your business information. This is a crucial step because exporting your data allows you to have a tangible backup that you can use to restore your system if needed. When you're on the Export Data page, you'll see various types of data that you can back up, such as reports, lists, and other financial information. The choice is yours, so toggle the data you want to secure. Think about the vital reports you regularly rely on and ensure that those are selected. Remember, it's always better to have more information backed up than you might think is necessary. The last step is straightforward. After you've selected the data categories you wish to export, look for the Export to Excel button. Clicking this initiates the download of your selected data into an Excel spreadsheet. This format is universally recognized and can be easily accessed or imported into other financial software if needed. This step ultimately completes the backup process, and there you have it. Backing up your QuickBooks data is as easy as logging in, selecting what you need to save, and exporting it into a reliable format. Regularly repeating this process ensures you're always prepared for unforeseen technical glitches or data loss. Thanks for following along. And don't forget to stay organized and proactive with your financial data backups. Happy bookkeeping!